Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Outlook.com to enable Microsoft 2FA for protection. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Type Outlook.com in the address bar and press enter. Sign into your Outlook.com account using your email and password. Once logged in, click on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. Select View Account from the drop-down menu. In the Account dashboard, find and click on the Security tab on the left side. Scroll down until you see Two-Step Verification. Click on Set up Two-Step Verification. You may be prompted to verify your identity through a security code sent to your phone or email. Enter the security code in the designated field and click Next. Follow the on-screen instructions to choose your preferred authentication method. You can select from options such as a phone call, text message, or authentication app. If you choose an authentication app, download a compatible app like Microsoft Authenticator. After installing the app, open it and follow the instructions to add your Outlook account. You will need to scan the QR code displayed on your Outlook account setup page. Once scanned, the app will generate a verification code. Enter this code into the Outlook setup page and click Verify. When successfully verified, you can choose to save backup recovery codes. Store these codes in a secure location as they will help you regain access if needed. Complete the setup by clicking on Next and confirming your settings. You have now successfully enabled two-step verification for your Outlook.com account. For extra security, consider reviewing your recent activity on the security page. Make sure your recovery options are updated, including your phone number and recovery email. Check that your authentication methods are functioning correctly before finalizing. Congratulations, you have enhanced the security of your Outlook.com account with two-factor authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. And if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.